here. See, so let's start with checking the first option. For that we'll need the plane containing this. Let's say we'll start with P, Q and S. So the plane containing 1, 2 and -5, 3, 6 and 3, 2, 1 and 1. Let's try to find this plane. So for this we'll need a normal vector, for which we'll first find the PQ vector, which is 2, 4, 8, and let's say QS vector, which is 1, 5, 2. So this is PQ vector and this is SQ vector. Now quickly let's find the cross product. IJK 2, 4, 8, 1, 5, 2 is -32 I cap, comma 4 J cap, comma 6 K cap. Yeah. So we now have a vector perpendicular to our plane. So let's first divide this whole thing by 2 to get x plus 2y plus 3z, and we'll also need a point. So let's say this is our point, so this will then be -32 plus 5, so this is -27. So now we have the plane containing P, Q and S. Let's see if C lies on it. So -16 into 17 by 5 plus 32 by 5 plus 21. So 32 by 5 is 16 into 2 by 5 minus 17 by 5. So this becomes 16 into -15 by 5, which is -3 plus 21. So yeah, R indeed lies on the plane PQS. So A option is false because the 4 points are coplanar. Okay, now let's check the B option. B plus 2D vector is upon 3 is the position vector of point which divides PR internally in the ratio 5:4. So B plus 2D is 7, 8, 5 by 3, and the point which divides PR internally in the ratio of 5:4 is 4 into P, which is 4, 8, -20 plus 5 into R, which is 17, 16, 35 by 9. So that is 21 by 9, 24 by 9, 15 by 9, which in fact is 7, 8, 5 by 3. So B option is correct. So C option is incorrect. And let's also quickly check D option. The square of the magnitude of B vector cross D vector is 95. B cross D square is equals to B square times D square minus B dot D square. Okay. So magnitude of B vector is 9 plus 9, 18, 56, 54. The magnitude of B squared is 54. Magnitude of D squared is 6 minus B dot D is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 15 minus 225, which is 324 minus 225, which is equals to 99, which is not equals to 95. So D option is incorrect. So answer is B.